Welcome back to the Reclaim and Restore Your Core series. This is week 5. Today we're going to do a short, effective workout, 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. All you need is a mat and a big glass of water. And I'll see you in a second.
3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, rest. 1, rest.
I'd rather be naive than bitter. Decorate my lows in glitter. Karma hits you like the mirror. You're too late now. In the echoes of your lies, dear. Can you hear me harmonize every word that comes out? It almost got the best of me, but now I've gotten so sick, so sick, I'm so sick of love.
3, 2,
So sick,
1,
so sick,
rest.
so sick of love. So sick, so sick, so sick of love. So sick of But now I've gotten so sick, so sick, so sick of love. So sick, so sick, so sick of love. So sick, so sick, so sick of love. So sick of So sick of love.
All right, that's it for today. Remember to drink a lot of water. Write down your measurement when you did the diastasis recti core measurement and see if there's been any progress in the last 5 weeks. And I'll see you in the next one. Love ya. See ya, pizza.